Hi Glenn, it's Chris Reed here from Ardor SEO. Just after your email the other day, I thought, oh, let's have a little look at Glenn's website, as that's what I do. And I noticed something interesting. I thought I'd make you a little video to talk about it a bit. So we've got this tool called SEMrush where we can look at the history of a website. And so this is you over the last 2 years. And so you were getting next to no traffic, and then it went up and up and up, and it went really great. Up until July 2016, you were getting around 2,400 visitors a day, which is a huge amount of traffic. And then it just dropped off really suddenly to around 400, which is, and then even further down to around 200, and it's coming back up to about 400 now. You can see that's over a 1 year period, so it looks fine. But a 2 year period, it shows you August 2016 when you had this crash. I would really put some investigation into why that happened. You can see here this little G symbolizes that there was a Google update, which looks to me that you might have got a penalty for something. So if you've got Google Webmaster Tools, I'd log into that and check that you don't have a penalty, because you were getting 5 times the amount of traffic, and getting that back should be pretty easy. But you'd have to log into Google Webmaster Tools to see what that issue is. And so let's continue about the traffic that you do have. So you can see here that you rank for 138 keywords, generating you 400 visitors. And actually, if you were to buy that traffic with Google AdWords, it would cost you $2,700. And that comes down to a lot. See, here's the keywords, and here's the position, is this great keyword here, carpet cleaning Adelaide, where you're in the top 10, averaging around number 4, 3,600 searches a month, and that's $7.88 a click, and that's US dollars. And so that keyword is generating 63% of your traffic and 72% of this value here. So it's a fantastic keyword. But there's so many more that you're close to but not getting traffic from. So you can see here, this is the position. So pretty soon it jumps off number 10 and goes down. And so you can see these great keywords like carpet cleaning Adelaide, reviews, carpet cleaning, reviews means someone's ready to buy. Adelaide northern suburbs, professional carpet cleaning. Well, great keywords that you're on page 2 for, and moving from page 2 to page 1 is nothing. So if we organize the keywords in a different way, by cost per click, you can see some really great, like commercial carpet cleaning services. Your number 99, that keyword's $23 per click, so it must be very valuable. So cost per click is an auction. So basically, the more people are willing to spend, the higher it'll be. And the higher it is because they're such valuable keywords. They convert very well to good customers. If we also put it by search volume, and just keywords that have the clean in it, again, we've got this awesome keyword that you ranked for. But there's other great ones like carpet steam cleaner, number 26, 5,000 searches. You're number 26. Carpet Adelaide, upholstery cleaning Adelaide, you're number 46. Cleaners Adelaide, number 77. Best steam cleaner, cleaning services Adelaide. Like, so many great keywords that you're almost there for. And moving from page 2 or 3 or even page 10 up to the front page isn't that much work. It's usually just the configuration of your website and improving the content. One thing I can see here as an issue is nearly every one of these keywords, it's your home page that's ranking, not internal pages. So for other keywords, it might be good to have internal pages. So if we go to Google and type in site colon and your domain name, here's all of the pages that you have indexed in Google. And I can see straight away that there is an issue. See how this one has HTTPS and these ones don't? That means that there's an issue with your SSL certificate. So getting that fixed is really, really simple. You just got to find the insecure content like these and get them redirected. That'll make the user experience better for visitors to your website, and Google will give you a ranking boost. So that's a super quick win. Next thing I would look at is your descriptions. You know, the title tag here is perfect. Carpet Cleaners Adelaide says what you do. Steam Cleaning Services SA, perfect. That's a really, really well optimized title tag. But this description doesn't really. There's no keywords in there, so that could use some work. But then all of these other title tags are not set. You know, it's got who you are, not really anything about like. You know, you can keyword optimize all of these. And the main thing is I don't see a site structure. So imagine if you sold dog food, you'd want to have your homepage, then you'd have small dogs, medium dogs, large dogs. And then under small dogs, you'd have Chihuahua and Jack Russell. This makes it just really easy for users to find what they're looking for. They're really easy for Google to understand which pages are the most important and how to rank them. So I'd certainly look into getting one of those done. You know who I am anyway. That's me, Chris Reed, the CEO and founder of Ardor SEO. And you know what we do. We specialize in working with companies like yours to generate thousands of more visitors to their website. Visitors that take action and become customers. We know at the end of the day, no one really cares about search engine rankings because they don't pay the bills. Customers do. And so that's exactly what we focus on. People that are looking for your products and services, looking for carpet cleaners in Adelaide, and are going to take action. So I'd like you to take some action now. If you click the button below this video, Glenn, it'll pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that works for you, book in a call, and I can show you in more detail exactly how we can help. So thank you for your time. Click the button below and talk soon. Bye-bye.